Hi guys, this is Rahul Prajapati. Very good morning to all of you and thanks for tuning into pre-market analysis. So yesterday it was a roller coaster ride for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty opens with a gap down and almost slips 200 points on that day. As we have discussed, 15,600 is a good support level. So market quickly rebounded from those levels and closed around 15,835, which is just 15 points above from the previous day close. Now overall trend for the Nifty seems to be again positive. Okay. Now talking about Bank Nifty actually slips below 34,400, and again same thing happened, quickly recovering from those levels and back to the same trading range. So as of now, we can see 35,500 and 34,500 is a good level for Bank Nifty as of now. Now let's discuss what could be the expectation from the market today. So as of now, there is no specific major movement in the SGX, so it would be a flat opening, expected to be flat opening, right? Now talking from the OI front, initially we can see the levels are still the same. So on the OI front, we can see 16,000 call option is adding a good, we can see a good addition in this. So almost 32 lakh shares has been added till now. So that's immediate resistance that we can see. On the downside, if we talk about that, 15,700 is a good support level from the put side, as we can see this highest addition in this strike price only. So for the level as of now, if we're talking about for this expiry, we can see these two specific levels. Now talking from the Bank Nifty perspective specifically, so because of market slips, we can see 35,000 shows a bit of unwinding on the put side. Addition on the call side we have seen. So market exactly closes 35,000. So could be immediate resistance. But talking for the trading level for this week, we can see 35,500 on the upside. And from the put side, we can see 34,500. So these are the good support and resistance level respectively. Okay. Now let's move to the top gainer and loser. So India Bulls Housing Finance gains yesterday almost 4%. Torrent Pharma and PNB. So these are the top gainers. BHEL almost lost 12% approximately. So Adani, Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises specifically. So these stocks, initially they lost almost 20% initial trading hours. Then probably again they recovered and closed around 8 to 6% yesterday. Now that talking about the index contributor, we can see again oil, because of Reliance, it is contributing a more. Then we can see IT stocks are supporting it. Then we can see private banks are again on the negative contributors. Okay, so talking from the sectoral perspective, OI and specifically we can see oil sector and PSU, PSU banks are having a good long build up yesterday. So infra in reality shows a kind of short build up in this. Now talking about the stocks that we discussed, so initially we can see the Reliance is actually trading near its breakout levels, and continuously we can see long build up happening from last 3 days. So this could be a expected good breakout. Let's see how the stock behaves. Talking from the technical front, we can see 2280 is a good resistance level as of now, and then 2300. So if market breaks that, we can see 2400 levels coming up in this particular stock. On the downside, we can see 2200 level is a good support as of now. If you see from RSI perspective, the stock is showing a positive momentum. So let's see how the stock behaves. Okay, talking from the OI front, from Reliance. So again, these two levels are again important. So 2300 on the upside. Downside, we can see 2200 levels. That's a trading range. So we need a good breakout above these two levels. Probably if Reliance able to break 2300, we can see good upside move. On the downside, 2200 is a good support level. Now talking from the another stock, the Havels, I can see. So the stock was trading in a range since since last 2 months specifically. Now if you see, we have seen the stock is falling since last few days specifically, and we have seen short build up. Now the stock is creating a base somewhere around 1,000 rupees level. So, and we have seen yesterday good bounce back and long build up happening on the lower side. So we can see a good upside momentum coming up in this particular stock. So looking at this chart specifically, so you can clearly see that it has a good support level near 1,000 to 990. So that's a good support level. On the upside we can see 100 points up level we have, where we can see a good resistance at that point of time. Now Talking from the OI front, we can see build up across all the strike price on the upside. So probably we need to see, because of this could be a case, because from last few days the stock is continuously falling. So that was a all sellers are much of aggressive in this particular stock. Now let's see how this stock behaves. Talking from the ban list specifically, so again these stocks are there. Earlier these were the stocks only, and we can have a new possible entrant, Adani Ports, Escorts, and Tata Power. Okay, now talking about the key points that we discussed. So for Nifty trading range, we can see 16,000 on the upside, 15,700 on the downside. Max pain is 15,800, so that's in between. Bank Nifty range is again 35,500 on the upside, 34,500 on the downside. So max pain level is as of now at 35,000. Sectoral build-up, auto and PSU banks. Short build-up specifically in infra and reality. So stock for Reliance, we have 2,300 levels on the upside, 22 on the downside. Havells, 1,040 is the initial level. We can see if we see breakout, we can see the stock can move up. On the downside, 1,000 rupees support is a good level as of now. So PNB is a new addition in the ban list, except we have Canara Bank, National Aluminium, Sun TV, and Indiabulls are still there. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, stay safe and have a profitable day. Thank you very much.